走入聖河西市嘅呢個由無家可歸者建立嘅社區森林，你會碰上各式各樣嘅人物，有人瘋狂，有人呆滯，有人活潑向上，有人低頭沉思。喺大城市忙碌嘅腳步中，呢度只係一個簡單嘅概念，無家可歸者嘅聚居地。不過，當你走入其中，同佢哋握手、問候、交談，就會發現佢哋同你我一樣，充滿住故事同期盼。
Hello world, the outside world. My name's Eva Marie, and I'm 63 years old. I've been living outdoors homeless 15 years, off and on, but I've been up here in the jungle for 7 months. I came in 69 up to San Jose, and I was never homeless. I always had my jobs, my cars, my place, my homes to live, and so I could cook and bake and what have you, and shower and.
但1989年嘅一場大病使 Eva 不能自理，不能再站立同行走，身體逐漸失去力量。醫生話呢啲係神經紊亂，卻無法為佢治癒。喺理療嘅幫助下，佢又慢慢學習行走，但係從此病痛開始與佢糾纏，骨折、哮喘、脊椎病每日都折磨住佢。Eva 失去工作能力，身邊朋友無法一直援助，最後森林收留咗佢。Eva 行動不便，唔可以受到陽光直射，佢嘅弟弟亦住喺森林裏面。Eva 嘅簡易居所係佢弟弟幫佢搭建嘅，用樹枝同纖維袋搭成。Eva 嘅情況有一名社工跟進，但幾年過去，喺聖河西高房價嘅現實之下，至今仍然未能為佢揾到房屋。
I never dreamt of being out homeless or being out here in the jungle. But I believe there's a reason for it, and I believe the Lord's going to bless me with something. Even though I've been out here so many years, but I believe I'll get me a nice little place. It's going to just take time. Sometimes I feel like, oh Lord, how come I don't have a place now? I want a place, and the Lord. When it's my time. I know, and I'll be happy, really super happy again.
I am an artist. I'm a very gifted artist. I can't say that about myself. I play the guitar and sing, although my voice is not quite as sweet as it used to be, because I cigarettes and such. But I paint glass, and I do some really amazing work.
Judy 今年53歲，曾經係一名藝術家。11歲開始沾染毒品同酒精，從此過上浪蕩嘅生活。佢坦言自己一直都想回頭，但至今仍然戒唔甩毒癮同酒癮。
And even though I stay clean and sober for long periods of time, I always seem to go back to using and drinking, and I don't know why.
Judy 嘅爸爸喺三藩市係一名著名嘅外科手術醫生，幾年前患上眼疾，並逐漸導致失明，妻子離佢而去。Judy 主動向爸爸提出希望返屋企照料佢嘅起居，卻被爸爸毅然拒絕。Alicia 喺多次同家人爭吵後離家出走，雖然年紀輕輕，已經斷斷續續喺街頭露宿咗2年。佢年初入獄3個月，出獄後又再返到森林裏面。
I can't take the chance to be so disrespectful. You know what I mean? Me and my father were calling each other names now, harsh names, and if I'm right here, we don't call each other names no more. Right? All we do is I call him in the daytime, he'll come by, come see me, and then he'll leave again. No harsh names. I don't get called a drug addict or a bitch or a little brat, but those are the days that get bad. Right? Those are bad days. I can't do that no more. So I stay right here. See right there? That's mine.
Alicia 係一個活潑嘅少女，主動帶記者參觀佢整潔嘅帳篷。 佢喺自己嘅帳篷外架起簡陋嘅圍欄，防止外人騷擾。
You know how long it's gonna take me to do this? It's gonna take me forever. I am never gonna do this.
幾日嚟，佢收集咗唔少嘅木頭，準備斬柴生火，但睇嚟經驗不足，木柴太粗而斧頭太細，柴劈唔開。Alicia 每日都會到森林附近嘅臨時聘用中心 Labor Ready 簽到申請工作。佢話好快佢就會離開呢度。喺佢眼裏面，似乎前路一片光明，萬大事都有咗安排。
And I'm telling you right now, it's not bad some days. It's pretty cool.
離家2年 ，Alicia 仍然唔肯返屋企。森林裏面嘅故事每日都喺度繼續。40歲嘅 Stephanie 斷咗一隻腳，揾唔到工作。50歲嘅 Steven 為照顧住喺森林裏面嘅女朋友，主動搬嚟呢度，希望有一日能夠帶佢離開。Natania 攞到 Section 8第8類補貼房，佢一直冇房東願意租屋俾佢，只能帶住自己嘅細路蝸居喺呢度。故事裏面仲有患有精神分裂症嘅 Baby James， 身體健碩嘅 Quaso， 仲有靠賣瓜子嚟為自己臥病在床嘅姐姐籌集醫藥費嘅 Adolph。You
know what? This is a place of rest because I was walking around the east side for about a year and a half and didn't have nowhere to lay down and didn't have nowhere to rest. And I hope this report doesn't go to the discrimination of the users. Every time they come in here, they use cameras, and after that, they mock us by putting us in TV.
This is home to me because, hey, once I'm judged by a simple marking on a piece of paper that says yes, that I was convicted of a felon.It landed me right here, and this is a home away from home. But until I could get back on my feet, this is my home.
Can you get back on your feet?
I could get back on my feet if the police leave us alone.
森林嘅環境係骯髒嘅，但包裹喺呢啲露宿者心中嘅願望，卻係如此嘅乾淨純潔。
I have a lot of faith that one day soon, hopefully by July or August, I'll be indoors.And that's my dream, to be indoors and, have my own little place where I could cook, bake, and shower and relax without thinking of the jungle, the fear that's up here for women, single, being single.
I believe you
can get to that goal. Yes, I have a lot of faith and pray every day, every night, and for other women that are out here that they will get a place also.
陪伴 Eva 每日祈禱嘅係佢嘅狗仔同心中一直燃燒嘅信念。
I don't know how long I have left to live, but I want to live it sharing what I have. I love people. I love giving back. I want to take care of people who can't take care of themselves anymore.
Just to be able to find permanent housing for right now, or it's my American dream is to own my own business and things like that, but just to find permanent housing and just to be able to take care of my children.
下一集我哋將帶大家獨家探訪森林裏面一群特殊嘅人，佢哋啱啱從牢獄走出，佢哋前路茫茫，佢哋嚟到森林構建自己夢中嘅美好家園，然後消失喺呢度。